A very good morning, dear student. Today we are going to do chapter number 3 of your book, First Flight, and the name of the chapter is Two Stories About Flying. The chapter is divided into two parts, and today we are taking first part of this chapter, and the name of first part is His First Flight, and it is written by Liam O'Flaherty. The story or the first part is about a young seagull who is at that stage of life where he has to learn to fly. Unlike his younger brothers and sister, he is too afraid to fly. When all of them went for flying for the first time near the edge of the sea, all of them except him succeeded. He could not trust his wings. He got terrified by the vast sea and got convinced that he could never fly. As a result, he was ashamed and disheartened, and thus went inside the ledge where usually he slept. His younger siblings managed to take their first flight despite their wings being shorter than his, but he could not summon the courage though he tried so desperately. He was scolded by his parents for not trying again, but he was so afraid that he could not even move. Now he had been alone for a day after he tried because his parents were busy focusing on his siblings. They helped his siblings master the art of flying and diving for food, that is fish. His older sibling even caught his first fish, which he proudly ate at a rock while his parents celebrated it. That morning, his parents taunted him all the way for being a coward. The sun had now risen and he was feeling the heat more than ever because he was empty stomach since the night before. He stepped out of his ledge and pretended to sleep on one leg to gain the attention of his family. Still, no one noticed him. His siblings were sleeping. His father was cleaning his feathers with his beak, and his mother was standing on another plateau eating fish while she noticed him. The seagull got mad on seeing the fish because he was very hungry. He loved to tear away fish and scrape his beak now and then. He cried in hunger to his mom while his mother screamed back angrily. But he kept crying which soon turned into a joyful scream at the sight of his mother flying toward him with the piece of fish. He got excited as she came nearer and thus leaned forward. Suddenly, she stopped not too far from him. Out of excitement and hunger, he dived at the fish without realizing for a moment that he was afraid to fly. He got so excited that he fell as soon as he tried. For a moment, he was in shock and stood still out of terror. All this lasted only for a moment, and soon his feathers opened as he flight. He could feel the wind against his breast feathers, stomach, and his wings. He could feel himself cutting through the air. He was not afraid anymore. He was just a bit nervous, but then his mother accompanied him. The whole family screamed out of excitement, thus celebrating his victory over fear. Once he overcame his fear, he forgot that he was once afraid of it. He did all those things he once feared. He flew straight over the sea and could see the greenery and the mountains beneath him. He screamed out of joy as he enjoyed the victory. When he landed, his family landed along with him as a gesture that they were proud. They were screaming and shouting in excitement in their high pitched voices. He then went into the sea, where at first he got scared and thus panicked. He tried escaping but got tired and weak because of hunger. Thus, when he calmed down, he started floating in the sea as he was once afraid of. His family was celebrating in excitement and offered him food as praise. Finally, he had overcome his fear and had made his first flight. Thank you. Thank you, dear students, for listening and watching. I am sending you the PDF of this chapter and word meaning in PDF form. Thank you. Thank you very much.